Eye contact is way more intimate than words can ever be. And when you master it, you can build some really deep connections with people. But the fact is कि 75% से ज़्यादा लोग अपना strong eye contact नहीं maintain कर पाते हैं, and hence they come off as an underconfident person, which can lead to a lot of problems. Like आपको जॉब के अंदर सबमिसिव पर्सन की तरह ट्रीट किया जाता है एंड आप पे और ज़्यादा वर्कलोड दे दिया जाता है, आपकी बात को इंपॉर्टेंस नहीं दी जाती है, यू कम ऑफ एज अ शाय पर्सन, or maybe you lose out on a lot of opportunities. Why? Because maybe the other person is just waiting for you to look into their eyes so that they can strike the conversation. And अक्सर हमारी ये eye contact and shyness की problem और बढ़ जाती है when we talk to the opposite gender, especially when we like the other person. So today I'll be telling how you can master your eye contact in any situation. But since it is an important topic, so let's get serious. So the first thing is you have to keep a healthy balance between maintaining and breaking of the eye contact. Suppose मैं ऐसे कैमरा के अंदर स्टे करता जा रहा हूँ and आपसे बात करता जा रहा हूँ, the situation will become a bit more tensed and awkward, right? Now imagine you are doing the same thing while talking to a person. It will feel like you are invading the other person's personal space. On the contrary, अगर मैं थोड़ा सा casual रखूँ and ऐसे break करता रहूँ eye contact, the situation will become a bit more relaxed and calm. The conversation will feel as if it is a natural conversation and not a tense situation. Also, I'll be a bit more aware what's going on in my surroundings. Second is while having the conversation, you must follow the 50-70 rule. अब इसमें होता क्या है? जब आप किसी से बात कर रहे हो, you can maintain the eye contact for about a 50% of the time. But when you're listening to someone, you must maintain the eye contact for about a 70% of the time. आपको exact नहीं होना है, but keep on practicing and you'll get the idea. Now let's dive a bit deep inside this. First situation is when you're having a conversation with a single person, hold the eye contact for about 5 to 10 seconds and then just casually break away. उससे कम करोगे, it looks like you're maybe not interested in the conversation or maybe you're just a shy person, like I'm purposely doing it right now. उससे ज़्यादा करोगे, you'll come off as an awkward person, just like we discussed in the first tip. The same rule applies when you're listening also to the other person. उसमें just a simple difference is when you're breaking away, do it with an acknowledgement. Maybe like nodding your head or thinking about something and you record something, you stop the person, lock in the eye contact and then just keep on explaining your point. So it gives an illusion that you're actively listening to the person. When you're listening in the group, you can follow the same rule with whosoever is the speaker. But when you're a speaker in the group, you don't have to focus or give your whole attention to just a single person. You have to divide your attention within all the persons of the group. So उसमें you follow a 3-second rule, जिसमें you focus on one person for 3 seconds and then just casually move to the other person and then to the next person. The same rule applies when you're speaking to an audience on a stage. So उसमें you can divide the audience into maybe 3 sections, left, center, right, and focus on one section at a time, then move to the second section and to the third section. But इसके अंदर you have to also move your body in a casual and smooth way. You don't have to act like a robot, shifting like this. Eyebrows, they play an important role while having conversation with any person. You can read a lot about what the other person might be thinking by just observing their eyebrows. For example, if they have tensed eyebrows, maybe they disagree to something what you just said or are not interested in the topic. And if they have flared eyebrows, they are happy or excited or are interested in the topic. So you can go deep inside that topic to have a deeper conversation. Next is when you're looking at someone from a distance, और यहाँ पे आती है सबसे बड़ी problem and shyness. हम अक्सर क्या करते हैं? We are glancing through the room, we lock eyes with someone and we abruptly look away, thinking कि यार दूसरा person ये ना सोच ले कि we were just looking at them. But the possibility could be that they were also glancing through the room and it was just a coincidence. Or maybe they were checking you out, but you lost the opportunity and nothing is more expensive than a lost opportunity. So what you do is instead follow the 3-second rule, count in your head 1, 2, 3 and then just swiftly look away. Remember, this is the first step before you approach anyone. Also, that is a complete vast topic in itself. If you want to learn how to overcome approach anxiety, make sure you drop me a DM. Okay, coming back to the topic, another situation could be जब आप किसी को cross कर रहे हो, you're crossing paths with someone. Most of the people what they do is वो नीचे देख के then they'll cross the person. This shows that you are a very shy person. What you do instead is, again, follow the simple 3-second rule. Acknowledge them, maybe pass a smile, and then just casually cross them. One mistake which you must avoid whenever you're breaking the eye contact is to never look at your phone or look down or down. You do it and you know what I mean. Okay, since you stayed till the very end, a bonus for you. If you're not confident looking straight into a person's eyes, what you can do is keep on bouncing between the other person's eyes, but swiftly. The same tip applies when you're on a stage also. अगर आप confident नहीं हो, what you can do is focus on the person's nose. उनको कुछ नहीं पता चलेगा इतनी दूर से. And one more power move just for you guys. But remember, come closer for that. More. You have to use it with very caution. Otherwise, you can end up in a very, very bad situation. Promise me? Okay. Before the tip, the disclaimer is that you and the other person are both attracted to each other. And you have done a lot of right things before applying this in the current situation. So the tip is, apart from the two eyes, you also focus on the other person's lips and keep bouncing back in an inverted triangle from eyes to lips and back. But do it swiftly, and remember, this makes the situation a bit more sensual, spices the things up, and वापस आ जाओ. आई कॉन्टैक्ट के बारे में वीडियो थी, उसके बारे में किसी और दिन बात करेंगे. That's it from me, guys. If you really like this video, make sure to comment down your favorite part in the comment section and share this video with others, your friends, family, anyone who feels that they need to master their eye contact. See you in the next video. Until then, signing off, Sushant.